If you're using Gemini today, you're probably only scratching the surface. Hidden inside this AI are 10 powerful features that most people don't know exist, but they can completely change how you work, earn, and create. Most users just chat with Gemini, but the real power is unlocked when you access its hidden tools. And today, I'm going to show you all of them. First up is the secret auto workflow mode. This allows Gemini to perform long, multi-step tasks all by itself. Imagine it researching a topic, writing a detailed report, and then organizing all the data into a neat presentation without you lifting a finger. It's like having an automated team member. Second, there's live web intelligence. Instead of just getting summaries, Gemini can pull fresh, real-time information directly from the internet. This isn't old data. It's accurate, constantly updated info that can save you hours of manual searching. Third, Gemini has a hidden file analyzer. It can read PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and even your handwritten notes. It extracts key information instantly, turning stacks of documents into actionable insights in seconds. Fourth is the Instant Code Fixer. This is a secret weapon for developers and creators. It doesn't just find bugs in your code, it repairs them, optimizes your scripts, and explains the errors so you learn as you go. Fifth, Gemini includes a smart memory engine. This is where it gets personal. It remembers your preferences, your writing style, and the context of your projects. Over time, it evolves into a personalized assistant that thinks the way you do. Sixth, we have voice command mode. This lets you speak naturally to Gemini and have it perform tasks completely hands-free. It's perfect for when you're driving, cooking, or just multitasking and can't be tied to a keyboard. Seventh, you can generate hyper-realistic images. By using hidden prompt structures, you can unlock cinematic lighting, trace-day depth, and advanced compositions. Take your visuals to a professional level. Eighth is the private math and logic engine. This dedicated tool solves complex equations, handles financial calculations, and provides step-by-step solutions with near-perfect accuracy. It's like having a math professor on call. Ninth, there's the video breakdown tool. Give Gemini any video, and it can watch it, extract the most important information, write summaries, create scripts, or even turn it into a tutorial. And finally, the 10th and most powerful hidden feature, multi-agent reasoning. Behind the scenes, Gemini uses multiple AI models that debate ideas among themselves to deliver the most intelligent, well-reasoned answer to your question. These features make Gemini so much more than a simple chat tool. It's a personal researcher, editor, coder, and strategist all in one. If you learn to use even a few of these, your productivity will skyrocket. So before you use Gemini the same old way again, try unlocking these hidden features. One small trick could save you time, money,